Hello. Today we have another Joe Camel Zippo. This one is Joe Camel wearing a tuxedo offering you a cigarette from a pack of camels. Now, this isn't a vinyl picture on it. This is like the old ultralight they used to use, only it's not the same as the ultralight. Like, the pad on there is stiffer and thinner. So it's kind of the upgraded version of what their ultralight used to be. They didn't really use this that often or that much for that many years. This one's used. It's made in 1997 and it's used very little, but used nonetheless. A little bit of fading on the picture, but not too much. You can still make it out. It still has vibrant color. If you like it, hit like and subscribe.